what I'm gonna do right here is do a replacement of my speaker. I replaced the left already, and I'm gonna replace the right now, just because I didn't know that those it had some issues. Okay, and the way I'm gonna take off the screw, I have to put them in the same order because they're not the same. So I'm gonna,
Yeah, let's do it right now.
take off the lid, not the lid, the cover, carefully. This one has been replaced, and this one is where the problem lies. So I will take it off. You can't just take it off like that. You have to unscrew one of these with a pair of screwdrivers that are compatible with every part of it. Oh, I'm doing something risky right here because I didn't turn off this computer. It's on sleep right now, but I'm an expert. It's not gonna damage anything. I don't want you to damage your stove, and
you make sure you turn off your computer and disconnect the power. The battery. Don't say I didn't warn you.
alright. So that's just it. It's easy. This is a speaker. This looks cheaper, which is not here. Anyway, they're cheap. I got them for less than $4, maybe $5. So I'm just gonna put them install that easy. That was it. What's that sound? So, now we go. So, let me cover it and okay. And this is crisper. To make sure it fits. Cool. There we go. Now start putting them in order as they were, because if you don't, it's ready to go. There we go. So, right, left, center. We're good. That's the maximum volume. It sounds. Hey, so if the video was helpful to you, give it a like, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.